Hi viewers, today we are going to make a small video to change the bathroom sink drain using this new Stylewise push button bathroom sink drain. This is a plastic body and this is what we're trying to change. As you can see, it is broken. This one was an old style which had a pull back, and we're just trying to change it with a push button thing. This particular one, I bought it from Lowe's. It's around $15, and um, it's a plastic body. And one thing you need to remember is when you buy the new thing, just look out for what type of um, bathroom sink drain you have. Is it with an overflow? Some of them would have an overflow over here. In mine, it is on this side, but there is an overflow. So there's a small difference between the way both of them are. There's a cut over them. That's what I noticed between both of them. So today we'll be prepping up the place and changing this. Um, One more thing, this is a chrome finish. So basically the top part is chrome. In Lowe's you do have a full metal body also. I just prefer the plastic one. Let's unbox it and show it in close. So this is how it is. The good part about this is this comes out straight away, and it is easy to clean off anything. Put it back in, push, pop, and just pull it out to clean the drains. So as you can see, we removed the piece. So the box itself comes with some basic 5 lines of instructions. It is kind of helpful but not in that detail. So yeah, hopes this particular video is helpful for some of you who are trying to do the same at your home. So we're trying to dismantle this. We'll probably be changing this. Yeah, let's start with doing this. Right. Okay, let's start the process of the change. I would prep the place by removing all the stuff below. Good idea to keep a small bucket or a container that can trap some water that is going to drain out of this. Also, good idea to have gloves. I have cleaned my drain recently, so I'm hoping that there's nothing there in them gross. So let's begin. You would have some of these would have a nut over top here which you might have to loosen. I had to use a pipe wrench to loosen it. Sometimes it is hard, but sometimes it might be easy for you guys. So we're just going to loosen this. There you go. So as you can see, I just removed this particular piece. I don't have to do much. I'm going to try to loosen the top part. So you got to loosen this from the bottom. Once it is loose, you need to come up. Loosen this part. Holding the bottom, just try to rotate. It should come out. Take an opportunity to just clean down the place. Just cleaning up the area because we putting once you're ready for the install, all you need to do is put the pipe going through here, the plastic, and you need to come in the bottom. This comes with a rubber washer. Just slide it on the top. Tighten it up. The next would be so once we are done with this, you would have to get the old one. This particular piece doesn't come with the bottom washer, so you just have to take it out. So just clean this. There you go. It should slide in. need to take out this piece also. Just make okay, so looks like we tighten it up. Let's wipe it down. Just make sure that everything is tightened up. And I think we are ready to give it a try. Let's switch on the water and see if there is any leaks. Looks good. There's no wet thing on the top. Water is going. Looks good. Let's get it from the top. So we're just going to test it out, fill some water. So the water looks to be retaining up here. There you go. We were able to install the Stylewise push button bathroom sink drain. This is a plastic body with a chrome top, so it looks good, and I hope this helps others who are trying to do the same. Thank you.